So, how are you? Always busy doing so many things, me. It's because that's how it is. That's how it is. I always need to do a lot of things. Pero, buti na lang. I'm so glad that it's gonna be over soon because Luis is gonna have vacation soon. At least we can do so many things. Ay, nako. That's the life about me doing so many work. So, how about you? What have you been doing lately? I'm sure you're doing a lot of things. Siningit ko lang yun. We went to Aqua Planet because, he wanted to go there. And, parang naawa naman kasi kay Luis, he's working hard. Like, he's always busy. Tapos, he's not even like, he doesn't have a heart. He doesn't even have like a time to play anymore. So, yeah. So I decided to take him there, even if I don't want to travel that much, honestly, because it's dangerous. Going to very far places is really risky. I really don't know. I can't do it forever. And besides, I'm already old. I shouldn't be like traveling that much anymore. So, yeah. I just wanna like talk to you for a while because, everyone's always wondering what am I doing. Like, what can you get when I'm not, like, whenever like I do something, what can you get from it if you know it, right? There's nothing important that I'm doing. It's not really like a big deal what I'm doing. I'm always just doing like more on for Luis lang, ganun. Di naman masyadong, I don't do that much. Pero I'm doing a lot of things. Pero syempre, it's not like super like important talaga na talagang ganun. Diba? Yeah. Wala naman masyadong pag-uusapan. This is why I don't like speaking like every day because wala naman talagang pag-uusapan. There's nothing like to talk about. Do you have anything to talk about? And besides, my mind is like always like focusing on other stuff too. It's annoying, but I have to also like do a lot of work. Okay. So, ano pa ba? I don't know. I wanna go exercise. Kahit nga exercise, hindi na mapag-exercise. I can't do exercise anymore because there's less time. Oh my God. I can't do other stuff. I wanna do exercise, tsaka I wanna go to the gym or something. Life is so hard. Yan talaga, when you have like so many things, like so many dreams, so many whatever. It's like a never-ending ideas. Like, you want to do so many things, but you can't do it because not enough time, not enough energy, not enough money. Let's see. I don't know. So I just talked to you like for a while lang kasi maybe you're wondering what am I doing again. But honestly, there's that not. I mean, you know that we're very busy, but it's not that like super important. Yeah. Just watch na lang the show, the videos that I uploaded. What's wrong with that? It's also the same. You can also get entertained by the places, right? You can also like enjoy watching different kinds of places in Japan or in the Philippines. Actually, I want it nga in other countries, but it's so expensive. You know. Yeah. I don't have work kasi, pero if I work, nako, I'm telling you, I can afford it. That's why I'm excited to work. I wanna go back to work. I wanna go back to work. Pagtitiisin ko kasi si Luis. He needs to finish school. I wanna go back to work. Kung alam nyo lang, you know, I'm excited to work all the time. I really wanna work. Ang saya kaya pag nag-work. Puro kasosyal na lang, puro ka-artihan lang yun. Ipinapasok mo sa office. Oh, hindi, I'm smart, no? So, I know what to do. Like, I know my job. Pero, syempre, nandun na rin yung fashion show. Tsaka, puro socializing. Mga pa-social climbing, ganyan. Kebelush. Mga charot-charot na social climbing. Ganyan. So, sige na, ay na, excited na, naiinis na nga ako. Gusto ko na mag-work. Mag-work na ba ako? Ano kasi si Luis, I can't leave him alone. Ang sarap kaya mag-work. Hintayin nyo na lang ako when I'm old, ha? After I'm old, mag-work pa rin ako kahit hanggang mga 90 years old. Ay, sige na, bye!